This is the install for the Radiator Grille store side air intake vents for the C8 Corvette. This is going to be the passenger side, so we're going to start here with the left side. It's going to have a left side protrusion. We're going to place it in with the fat end in first. We're going to slide it into the cavity. We're going to get the top point up towards that ground screw. We're going to bring that all the way up to the top. Push the inside edge behind this body panel and bring it forward, sliding it behind that body panel edge. Once there, you can pull up so that peak goes as high as it can go. And then reach in, both hands around the outer edge, and pull the screen forward. Now with those hands wrapped around that outer edge, concave the grill screen in the middle and bring it forward to get in front of this body mount screw at the bottom. The body mount screw is there in the bottom. Bring that forward and position the grill so that this outer flat piece ends up in between this bump and that bump. You can also use an Allen key to pull the grill forward if need to. This is part two. This is a driver's side. So you're going to see that the protrusion is on the right. One thing to note about the driver's side, a little more difficult. You're going to watch out for this this fuel vapor piece of equipment that's up in here. So we're going to be working around that. So be careful of the connections and be careful of that. So we'll start out similarly with the protrusion here, and we'll stick the fat end in and back into the cavity. And now we'll start working around that vapor sensor, and we'll put it up, get that peak up as high as we can, working around carefully around that vapor sensor. And then we'll pull the bottom forward behind this piece of bodywork here. And we'll do as we did on the other side. We'll wrap our hands. We'll wrap our hands around the outside, concaving the grill, bringing that outer edge toward us and around the outside of that body mount screw at the bottom. And once again, the flat part of the grill will sit in between the two bumped areas. And you can pull the grill forward if you want with an Allen key. So there, I believe, without getting my fat head in the way, I believe we are installed. So these install in minutes.